Hi, or welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode we'll be learning how to make bathing soap, right? Turmeric and vitamin C bathing soap for your skin. Turmeric is very good for your skin. It helps to improve brightening. When you vitamin C and turmeric, they complement each other, right? Because combine of both of them will improve skin brightening. It will enhance anti-inflammatory effects and also fast fading of dark spots. So if you have dark spots, consider using this soap. And is also antioxidant because it's going to protect your skin. Before I forget, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Or if you are a returning subscribers, I see what you do. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your effort. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the reason we are here, which is making this turmeric soap and this vitamin C soap, right? Okay, the last video I made this particular soap, right? I told you guys I'm going to use it as a soap base, right? So if you want to see how I made this particular soap, I'm going to drop the link of this soap at the description below so that you can watch it, right? I'm going to drop it in the comment section depending on where you are seeing it. So getting my soap base, this is the soap base that I showed the way I made this soap in this particular channel or in this particular Facebook page, depending on where you are seeing this particular video, right? So when I brought it out, I start by cutting it into small chunks, just like you are seeing me doing, right? So I'm going to cut everything. I made this soap with just sunflower oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. That was what I think that was what I used. I also dropped the recipe on that video, right, to make this particular soap. It was a cold processed soap, right? So I added glycerin inside the soap base. Yes, I think that is the only thing I added there. So after cutting it into small chunks, I decided to melt it. I added small water to melting it, to help in melting this particular soap, right? So when I add small water, I double boil it. This is double boiling method, where you get your heat, place another pot, and then you put your soap on top of it. So the next you're going to do is to cover this soap, right? Cover it so that it is going to heat up, right? So it's always good for you to cover what you're melting. I can see one of my students came to me. She was like, I've been melting this soap for 2 hours now. The soap refused to melt. The reason why is because you did not cover it. Just cover it. Can you see that the pot is actually boiling and the soap is melting, right? So if you've watched this video up to this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Follow this page or you've subscribe to this YouTube channel. So in another bowl, this is our turmeric. This is our addictive, right? This is our turmeric and also vitamin C. This is what I'm going to use to activate this soap base, right? So I added a little small water in this jar to mix it up, right? You see what I'm doing? Just do exactly what I'm doing. You can do this for sale. You can do it for family use, right? Turmeric is very, very good for skin. It brightens the skin, fade dark spots. The same with ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. So anyone at all, they complement each other, right? So you turn this very well. Make sure that you mix everything very well. The reason why I am mixing it before pouring it into my soap bather is for me to make sure that everything melts very, very well. So our soap has melted. Can you see? It has melted. So whenever you want to do double boiling, you want to melt your soap, always try to cover the lid. Cover it very well. Once you cover it, the heat will it will generate a lot of heat and it's going to melt your soap, right? So you can actually buy any soap in the market and add other addictive. You can add neem powder, you can add turmeric, you can add sandalwood, all those herbals that is good for skin, or even chemically brightening ingredients like glutathione, salicylic acid, anyone at all that you want to add, right? So after adding it, I make sure that I mix everything properly, right? If you want to enroll you in our class also, how to make laundry soap and the bathing soap, we have classes for that. We hold your hand till you're perfect, right? We have online classes on how you can make bathing soap, skincare, laundry soap, and so on and so forth. Just chat me on the WhatsApp number I dropped on the screen so that we can take it up from there, right? Just chat me on WhatsApp. Don't bother calling me. Just chat me. Drop the chat on the WhatsApp so that whenever I come online, I will attend to you. So I'm trying to check the foam test. Do you see that it foams very, very well? Do you see how it foams, right? This is kind of, this particular soap, you can use it the next day, right? Because I've melted it, I've cooked it, it has turned to hot process, right? You can use it the next day, unlike the cold press that you have to wait for 2 weeks before using. But this one has gone through the heat and it has reached the saponification level, so you can use it the following day, but you still need to allow it to cure. Curing means drying. Just allow it to dry up. Once it dries, you will start selling or you start using, right? Can you see how beautiful? You can make your own soap, right? I always tell you in this channel, is it that you make money with my channel, all the recipe, all the free recipe that I drop here, or you save money from this my particular channel, because all I do here is to teach you how to save your money or how to make your money from the products we create here, right? You can make this and package it and start selling, right? Turmeric soap and vitamin C soap. You can as well add other ingredients. It's not must you add turmeric or vitamin C. You can add other ingredients to activate it. You can add the activated charcoal, add so many things. There's so many addictive, right? You can add it and start your business. Do you see how foamy and how fresh it is, right? So this is after let's unmold this. I think this is after 24 hours and I decide to unmold it. Do you see how beautiful it is, right? This is me unmolding it. Very fine. Can you see it? Can you see it? So if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please like this channel, share this video. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos, and also a lot of people will get to see this video, right? You might not really need this video, but there's somebody in your WhatsApp status or somebody in the group that you belong that really needs this video, that doesn't know that this kind of thing exists in YouTube or exists in Facebook. You can share it. Once you share it, they get to see it and they will thank you for that. Don't be stingy with good informations like this. So once you see my videos anywhere, just like it, share it to people, right? Once you share it, they will still learn from it and start something. So on this note, we draw the line. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following this page. Thank you. Bye.